In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two columns in Power BI Desktop. We'll do this the right way using the Power Query Editor, where merging is performed by matching one or more columns between your tables. This approach keeps your model tidy and ensures your data lines up accurately. Start by opening the Power Query Editor. From the Home tab in Power BI Desktop, select Transform Data. This is where you shape, clean, and combine your data before it loads into your report. You'll see your queries or tables listed on the left, and a preview of the selected table in the main area. Choose the table you want to merge into. Think of this as your primary table, the one that will receive the merged data. With that table selected, go to the Home tab inside Power Query and click Merge Queries. This command initiates the merge process and keeps the result within the table you chose, maintaining your existing logic and steps. In the Merge dialog, select the other table you want to merge with. Power Query will display both tables, one above the other, so you can pick matching fields. Make sure the table you need is available in the drop-down. If it's already a query in your model, it will appear there. Now choose the column or columns that define how the two tables should connect. Click the matching column in the first table, then select the corresponding column in the second table. If your match requires more than one column, hold the appropriate multi-select key to choose additional columns in the same order for both tables. Power Query uses these selections to align rows, so it's important that the values and data types correspond. If the preview shows a healthy number of matches, you're on the right track. When you're satisfied with your selections, click OK. Power Query applies the merge and adds a new column to your primary table that represents the related records from the second table. That's the merge completed. You can proceed with your transformations from here, confident that your rows are now aligned based on the columns you selected. If you're reviewing the results, look for the new column with a table icon, which indicates that the connection has been established and the related data is available to use. That's all there is to it. By opening the Power Query Editor, choosing your primary table, selecting Merge Queries, picking the related table, choosing the matching column or columns, and clicking OK, you've successfully merged using your columns in Power BI Desktop.